Hello, in this video I want to show you all available baking functions on Whirlpool oven. So first, to actually manage our functions, we'll need to press on this knob to make it go out, and then it should start at 0. Now, to change between a different option, we can scroll to the left, and first one is this bulb, and it's a light fast preheat. It will basically quickly heat your food. Next one is conventional cooking. So with that mode you can experiment and cook whatever you want. And next is conventional baking, and this one is made more for baking like cakes and stuff like that. Then we have a grill, best for meat. Then we have a turbo grill. This will basically preheat much faster and also will scorch your food. Then there's a boot bottom, and if you switch to it, it will cook from the bottom only. The upper radiators won't work. There's a defrost, which will defrost all your food, and the bottom heating plus fan will work as the bottom heating, but will also add the fan to it. You can also enable it with two sides if you like. And there's a steam right here. This will, first you will need to pour some water on the bottom of your oven, and that way you'll be able to cook using the steam. And the last one is forced air, and I'm pretty sure it's that one. So this will allow you to cook like 3 different foods, for example, on different levels. So you can put meat on top, then potatoes in the middle, and on the bottom you can add like carrots, and everything should be cooked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.